Before tip-off, the smartest moves happen off the court. Hi, I'm Karen, PMM here at Liftoff. After supporting campaigns through major sporting events, we've noticed that performance stability often comes down to preparation. Here are 3 areas that are worth reviewing. First, staged budget ramps. Rather than increasing spend all at once, some advertisers scale gradually in the days leading up to the event. This gives campaigns time to adjust and ensures that they are ready to perform at full scale. Second are campaign guardrails. Defining acceptable CPI, CPA, or ROAS targets ahead of time helps campaigns stay on track even when volatility increases. And third is scenario planning. If costs spike, do you scale back? If volatility surges, do you lean in? Planning these decision paths in advance helps ensure deliberate execution on game day. With the right structure in place, scaling can be deliberate, controlled, and aligned with your goals. In part 2, I'll share what teams often focus on once the event actually starts and market dynamics start moving quickly.